Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are making rice and beans combo. So first we are going to season our proteins of choice. So this is actually me seasoning the chicken and chicken gizzard. What did I say? Chicken and chicken gizzard. Yeah, I went in with my stock and then I just spray in my Maggi and every other potato, and then I cover the pot and let it cook for about a minute. Then this is actually me seasoning the beef and the goat meat mix. And then our chicken has sauteed for a minute, and then we are going to add some water and let it cook for a bit. As you can see, it's dining with the prince and princesses of the pot. Yeah, those are the prince and princesses. So the chicken is the queen and the gizzard is the princesses. Now let's go ahead to put this on our air fryer rack and put it inside the oven with some mackerel fish. So this is just the process of me just taking it out from the pot, and then I just spread some pan spread oil on top of it for it to be crispy when it comes out, like that frying, it gives that frying vibes. And then I just stick it into my air fryer, and then I cover it, and then I did this, I roasted it instead of frying, no, baking, right? Yeah. So this is just me again doing that. So this is my pepper mix for this food. So I went ahead to blend it with my Nigerian blender, and then in my pot I went in with some red oil and some vegetable oil, as you can see, because we are making rice and beans combo. And then I went in with my onions. I hate saying my onions, for God's sake. I don't like saying my onions. Went in with some pepper mix, as you can see. And then I just give it a stir a bit and just like flow, and let it stay for about a minute or two. And then I covered it to cook for about 15 minutes, and then our chicken is ready. We brought it out and just like, we set aside. So what I'm trying to tell you guys here is that I'm just showing you that I'm actually using Maggi, Cayenne pepper, Paprika, onions powder, garlic and ginger powder, and the rest things, and just put it in. Then I went in with some crayfish, and then I remained the crayfish for the last show of the game when I add the rice. Then this is what it looks like after some minute. I went in to add my stock water. Say after me, my stock water. You can call it chicken broth too, anyway. I just give it a stir, make sure everything cooks together, and then just cover it to cook for a while. Then we go in with the rice, my parboiled rice, and I just let my rice sit in hot water for 15 minutes before washing it out, and then I mix everything together. As you can see, yeah, I just give it a stir. So I'm always like showing you how I do those things, because some people would practically cut it off and say, no, the people knows it already. No, but I'm going to stir my rice for about, make sure that everything incorporate into the rice, and it doesn't taste like as if you just actually have like white rice and beans with some stew. No. This is gonna be so tasty. I'm telling you, I promised you, this came out so good. So I added the remaining of my crayfish, and added some salt and Maggi, because actually the one I used was not tasty at all. Ta-da! We have our rice ready to consume, because actually I've been craving for rice and beans. I've been telling my roommate all this one, I want to eat rice and beans, but I was like, okay. Then I went in with my oven grilled goat meat, beef, and some gizzard, as you can see. And then I'm gonna give this a stir, with some fish too. So I'm not just gonna give this a stir and make sure everything incorporates together. And that is it, guys. Are you gonna try this combo? Just let me know on the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye.